This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Camry front light easy method. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and disconnecting the battery negative terminal. Remove the plastic clips or screws securing the inner fender liner, then gently pull it back to access the headlight assembly. Unplug the bulb connector, twist and remove the old bulb, install the new bulb by handling only the base, reconnect and test the light. Before you start, gather basic tools like a flathead, Phillips, ratchet with socket set, and a clean microfiber cloth. Wear gloves to avoid oil on the bulb surface and protect your hands. Keep the owner manual handy for trim removal tips and bulb type confirmation. Work in daylight or use a bright work light to see small clips and connectors. Take photos during disassembly to simplify reassembly and speed up the process. With the fender liner pulled back, locate the headlight bulb housing and identify the bulb connector. Press the release tab, pull the connector straight off, and set it aside safely. Turn the bulb housing or unclip the retaining spring depending on your Camry model, then carefully remove the bulb without touching the glass. Insert the new bulb into the socket, secure the spring or housing, reconnect the plug, and briefly test the light before final reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.